Hello all the students from 8th standard, 15th chapter area. Now in this lecture we are going to learn area of figures having irregular shape polygon. You know the meaning of polygon. Now if this polygon is of irregular shape, then how we can find the area of that total polygon? For that we may use area of parallelogram, base into height, area of rhombus 1/2 into product of lengths of the diagonal, area of trapezium 1/2 into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height, area of rectangle length into breadth, area of a triangle 1/2 into base into height. Also Hero's formula for area of triangle, that is under square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now let us solve some example based on the area of figures having irregular shape. First example, adjacent figure of polygon ABCDE. All the measurements given in the meter. So find the area of total given figure. Now observe this diagram of polygon. What is your observation here? We can observe here that triangle BDC is here. Triangle BDC is here and its base and its height is given. Now observe quadrilateral ABDE. Now this is a quadrilateral with irregular shape. So we cannot have any formula for the area of total quadrilateral. But we can use formula for area of this right angled triangle, area of this right angled triangle and area of this trapezium. Okay. So we can use area of right angled triangle, area of trapezium and area of triangle. So these three formulas should be used here to find the area of total polygon A, B, C, D, E. So let us calculate it one by one. Solution. First, we will find area of triangle ABQ. Area of triangle ABQ. So what is the formula for area of triangle ABQ, which is the right angle triangle? So it is 1/2 into sides making right angle. So 1/2 into AQ into BQ. It is equal to 1/2 into AQ is 13 and BQ is 10. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 5s are 10. 13 into 5. So 65 square meter. All the measurements given in meter. So 65 square meter is the area of triangle ABQ. Now let us find area of triangle ERD. It is also a right angle triangle. So 1/2 into sides making right angle, that is ER and into RD. So it is equal to 1/2 into ER, that is 17 and into RD, that is 16. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 8s are 16. 17 into 8, 136 square meter. Okay. Now area of trapezium. Next we have to find area of trapezium AQRE. Now it is a trapezium with parallel side AQ and ER. So what is the formula for area of trapezium? 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides, that is AQ plus ER and into height. So 1/2 into AQ is 13 centimeter plus ER is 17 centimeter into height, that is QR. So 12 plus 15, that is 27. So it is equal to 1 half into 30 into 27. 2 1 is 2 and 2 15s are 30. So 15 into 27, 405 square meter. So up to this we have find the area of right angular triangle ABQ, area of right angular triangle ERD, and area of trapezium AQRE. So now next we have to find area of triangle BDC. Okay. Now area of triangle BDC is equal to 1 half into base into height. So which is the base of the triangle BDC? Base is BD and height is PC. So area of triangle BDC, it is equal to 1 half into base, that is BD, and into height, that is PC. So 1 half into BD. BD is 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 16, that is 53, and PC is 10. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 5s are 10. 53 into 5, 265 square meter. So we have find now area of triangle BDC, area of triangle ABQ, area of triangle ERD, and area of trapezium AQRE. So total area of polygon ABCD is the sum of all these types of triangles and quadrilaterals. So let us add these types of quadrilaterals and triangles. So area of polygon A B C D E, it is equal to area of triangle ABQ plus area of triangle ERD plus area of quadrilateral, which is a trapezium AQRE, and plus area of triangle. Okay, so write one by one. Area of triangle ABQ is 65 plus area of triangle ERD is 136 plus area of quadrilateral is 405 and plus area of triangle BDC is 265. Add all these, it is equal to 871 square meter. So total area of the polygon ABCDE is 871 square meter. Okay. Now next. Now we have to solve practice set 15.5 and show it to your subject teacher. Ask any difficulty to them. Okay. Thank you.